Hi viewers, these fowls are 7 weeks old. Look at them. They are 7 weeks old. You are welcome to Divine Farms. We have in stock chicks. These birds are very strong. This is black and white. We have one white, one brown there. Look at them very well. They are very active. They are very active. They are 7 weeks old. Weeks, 2 days. Seven weeks and 2 days. Yeah, food has been given to them. They have their water inside. They are enjoying it. So we are yet to fill the upper one. We have the upper chamber here. We will fill this place too with fowls. So wherever you want to start, you can begin to start small like this. There are 20 birds. Their number is 20. Try your hands on it. Give them glucose and pencil. Don't wait for them to get sick before you give them the glucose and the pencil. There's another chamber here. This place. Which we are yet to bring the birds. You can see. There's another chamber. And we have this place too is there, which we are preparing for different birds. So you can start yours. Doesn't matter if you don't have enough money. You can begin to start small like this. Down there, you can brood. You brood them from here. This place very hot. Then the brooding place. You also have another brooding structure outside there. The brooding structure outside there. They are very active, enjoying their feed. You can see they are running. You can see how they are. Make sure you put sawdust so that it will soak the feces. Don't forget your sawdust. put sawdust in to soak the feces. The water has been hung so that to prevent the sawdust getting into it. Use a rope to hang it like this, because they will be stirring the sawdust into it to destroy the water. Anytime you see the feces in the feed, try to remove them. Use a stick or spoon to remove the feces, as they will not eat the food. If you want to use pawpaw to mix with the feed, you can also do so. I'll try and make a video on how you use the pawpaw to mix with the food. How you use the pawpaw to mix with the food. The white one. It was mixed with the black. It's not the cockroach type, white type. This one too, though is brown, but it was part of the oats, and the color appeared this way. Want to dodge the camera. They eat a lot. Some are also resting here. When they have filled to the capacity, they will rest for a while. So, how to measure the pen slip and the glucose in our next meeting, and how to use the pawpaw leaves and mix with the food. Or you can even use the water mix with their drinks. You can use the liquid part in it and mix with the drink. We'll treat it in our next video. Make sure to check the eye. If the eye is swelling, then you treat it. And how to treat the eye will also come in the next video. Sometimes we see the eye swelling of the eye. Yes. You use the salt to clean that part. Then you remove that white in the eye. You treat that one. You show you the affected. If one of them is being affected, it will show it to you how it looks like and how you can treat for them. They are enjoying their feed right now. And one is also resting here. Is full to the capacity. It's not sick, but it's resting. You try to go there, you see how it will run. See. Okay. So take good care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This you are watching Divine Farms. Divine Farms. God bless you. You can begin to start this way. We'll be giving you more information about how you go about it. When you start the brooding, we'll give you how to go about the brooding. We brood some here, then we sell them. When they are like this, we start selling them. Yes, when they are like this, we start selling them. Yes, so if you want to buy some, like the 4 weeks or 5 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, or if you want the 3 weeks, yes, you can contact us and we can brood more for you. If you need 500 birds, even 1,000 birds, we can brood them for you. You can contact us 02087 55066. 02087 55066 or 0243 446792. 0243 446792. If you need this type, we'll sell it for you. These are 7 weeks. If you need 4 weeks, 5 weeks, even 3 weeks, we'll give you some. Thank you for watching Divine Farms. God bless you. Take good care of yourself.